When the weather turns chilly, who doesn't love a warm, comforting bowl of creamy, rich risotto? Seasonal mushrooms, laced with luscious Parmesan cheese, all typically pulled together with the creaminess of Italian arborio rice. But there are two advantages to this recipe. First, I've swapped out traditional Italian arborio for the healthy, fiber-rich, whole-grain Spanish bamba rice. And second, it bakes in the oven, so you don't have to be a slave to the stovetop, stirring away for an hour while it gently absorbs all that liquid. It's pretty much hands-off, which leaves you free to get the other ingredients ready and just stir it all together at the finish. This is my kind of healthy dinner, a soothing, comforting combination of simple ingredients, so rich and flavorful, it's a dish you are sure to love as much as I do. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Medium dice 1 yellow onion. Thickly slice 3 to 4 cups of brown mushrooms. Finely mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Measure out 1½ cups of short whole grain rice. Grate 1 to 1½ cups of Parmesan cheese. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a pan over medium heat and add all the onions. Stir and saute until they're soft and add a pinch of salt. Once the onions are well browned, add the garlic and stir continuously for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and fragrant. Now add 4 cups of vegetable broth. Cover and bring to a boil before adding the rice. Now transfer to the oven and check on it after 1 hour. Let's work on the mushrooms, adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a large saucepan over a medium heat, and add all the mushrooms and a pinch of salt. I like to add a splash of broth just to help the mushrooms start to release their own juices. And take your time with them as they gently cook down into a rich and savory blend. Mushrooms are so healthy, they're better than a multivitamin pill, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's been 1 hour, but the rice may take 10 to 15 minutes longer in your oven, so test it to make sure. Then add 1 more cup of broth. Mix in all the Parmesan cheese and start to stir it all together, getting all those delicious crispy bits from the edges. Now blend in 1/2 cup of dry white wine, but hey, this is entirely optional. I just love the flavor it brings to the dish. Add 2 more tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, or butter if you prefer, to get that really silky finish. And just keep stirring until all the liquid is well absorbed and the rice is saucy and creamy. Finally, gently stir in all those wonderful mushrooms. This is just a dish of pure comfort. I can't wait to hear what you think of it too.